Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be writing our previous data right here into a CSV file that you can use and you can read it into other programming software such as R for analysis, or you can just keep it right as a CSV file that you can use. And basically what a CSV file is it's basically it stands for a comma separated value file. And basically what it kind of symbolizes is each comma is a symbol for a column, and each new line is a symbol for a row. So for example here, X and Y1 in this notepad would be in different columns because they're separated by a comma, which denote different columns, right, as I said. And each the X and Y1, Y2, Y3 are going to be in one row, and 1.96, 3.9, 4.76, and 5.48 will be on another row because it's on another line. So yeah, so basically each line represents each row, and each comma represents each column. So that's pretty intuitive in my opinion. And also before we start, basically last time when we scraped this, let me just run this real quick. There's kind of one big thing that we didn't include, and that's we didn't have a place for the title labels, or the title labels for all the statistics here. So as you can see on this website, the first row is the title labels for all of these statistics, right? So player describes Joel Embiid, Luka Doncic, all these guys. Age describes this column, team describes this column, and so on. We don't have this first row up top, so we need to scrape that as well. And to do this is pretty simple, and we're gonna have to go through our kind of the process that we went through last time. And what that was we used this little tool, the little box of the box with a little like a triangle arrow looking thing in it. You click on this and you select the thing you want to find, and let's just say we want to find the player box. I accidentally clicked it on. There we go. Okay, use this and then we click player. There we go. Now we can find where the player box is, which is right here. And as you guys can see here, again, you want to notice the tags that surround the thing you're looking for. So TH surrounds the player box, and if you can notice a pattern here, all of the title labels are surrounded by TH. Same for team, right here. Games started, minutes played, all of these correspond with TH, the TH tag. So that's going to be useful when we scrape it. And notice how all this TH stuff is also within the first TR tag. And there's no TR tag above this TR tag. So this is the first TR tag occurrence in this whole HTML website, right? That's pretty useful. So let's just put that into use that to our advantage here. So notice how we already scraped all the TR tags last time, and notice how all the TH tags are within the first TR tag. So basically what we can do is we can just do this. We can do title text equals all player zero. And basically what this does is it gets the first value of the list. And this might seem confusing to some of you, but if you watch a Python introduction video, you know that the first value in a list is always index 0. So this gives you the first value in all players, which have all the TH tags. TH tags correspond with the title statistics. So yeah, again, we wanted to do this because we wanted to find the title statistics, right? And each title statistics was kind of embedded within a TH tag, and the TH tag is in the first TR label, right? So that's kind of how you guys want to approach this. Look for whatever you want, and then kind of find the tags, and then kind of find the outlying outer tags that you have to scrape, right? And in this case, you already have all the TRs because we use the find all method in one list. So we can just call the first value of that list to find it. And yeah, so let's do that. And then since now we have the first occurrence of the TR, which includes all of these TH values, we could just do this. We could do title text dot find all. Oopsies, I did not mean to do that. Title text dot find all TH. And then we can do that, and that gives us all the TH occurrences into a list. And what we want to do is we want to let's just do this. Let's just do titles equals, we want to create a new array, okay, or a new list. It doesn't really matter what you call it in this. And then let's just iterate like this. So let's do, if we're title and title text title append title dot text, and then that should be good. So let's print it out real quick. Let's print title titles. Hold on, am I tripping? Invalid syntax. Give me a second. This is a pretty title text. Did I spell something wrong?
Title text. Oh my god, I'm tripping right now. Why do I title text? Title text equals all players. That should be good. Let me if I find the error, I'll let you guys know. Give me a second.
Alright guys, I'm back, and it turns out there was actually no error. All you have to do is just I didn't click the kill terminal button because I had something running before that wasn't very good. I actually clicked on something, I think. But if you just click kill terminal and run it, you should be good. So let me just run this. Yeah, you're good. There was no error. It was just my fault. But if you guys run it, you can probably see up top that there's actually you know, this thing right here that wasn't here before, which have all the titles. And what you have to notice is this kind of, there's kind of a strange format in this because it's every odd or every other kind of indice that you have the actual labels or the titles, right? So we're gonna have to treat for that, and what we're gonna have to do for that is we're gonna do counter. We're gonna just do a counter, and we're gonna iterate through this. And because the indices of all of these things, for example, this is indice 1, right? So indice 0 right here, right, in this open space. Indice 1 will be the rank, indice 3 will be the player, indice 5 will be age. So all the odd indices correspond to actual title labels, statistics, title statistics. So we will make a counter iterating through only the odd ones, printing or appending only the odd ones. So yeah, so we're gonna do this. We're gonna do this one more, and then we're gonna do if counter mod 2, which is counter remainder 2, if counter divided by 2 has a remainder that isn't equal to 0, is what this code means right here, then we will append the title text. So because anything odd when divided by 2 would not be 0. So 3 divided by 2 would have a remainder of 1, which wouldn't be 0, so it goes into here. 1 divided by 2 would have a remainder of 1 still, so that also wouldn't equal 0, so it will go into here as well. So yeah, this makes it so that every odd indice it goes into here. And then we're gonna iterate by counter plus equals 1 to make sure it goes through every single, to make sure the counter actually goes through every single one of these. And then should be good. Let's test it now. Yeah, just notice how this is good right here. And yeah, so basically this is good. And yeah, now that we have all the titles, we can move on to the next part.